The chainsaw is a valuable tool around the house, but can be very dangerous if not used properly. It's important to use safety in all aspects of its operation, especially when starting. Push the chain brake handle forward to engage it. Chainsaws feature two reservoirs, one for the oil and fuel mix, and one for the bar and chain oil. Be sure to use the appropriate one. Fill the fuel tank with properly mixed fuel. Fill the chain tank with appropriate bar and chain oil. Move the ignition switch to on. If the saw has a carburetor with a purge pump or bulb, push it in 3 or 4 times until the fuel is visible within the bulb. Pull the choke control knob all the way out. Securely hold down the saw using your hand on the front handle and your foot on the rear handle before pulling the starter cord. Pull the starter cord a few times until the engine starts to turn over. Push the choke control knob all the way in. Some saws come equipped with an automatic choke release that pushes in when the engine starts. Pull the starter cord again to start the engine. Allow the engine to warm up before using. Before cutting, disengage the chain brake by pulling it back towards you.